Hi everyone, welcome to the Matrubharati Author Admin Panel video tutorial guide. In this video tutorial, we will learn how you can upload invoice to Matrubharati Admin Panel. But before that, let's go to some other options provided by Matrubharati. So click on to this menu button and here you can see inbox menu. So click on to this inbox and here you will see all the messages sent by your readers. You can reply to them using this reply button. So basically this is the communication between you and your readers. You can talk with readers directly. So this is about sending a message to readers and reading message of your readers. Now we have already seen top 25 authors. You can also see monthly top 50 authors of Matrubharati. So let's go to this option. So these are the monthly top 50 authors of Matrubharati. Now if you want to contact to admin Matrubharati support system, then you can click on to this write to admin and this page will be open. If you want to send feedback, then click on to this feedback button and you can write feedback to admin. If you have any queries related to uploading or anything, then you can also write it here. So I'm just writing Matrubharati is really awesome. It's great for readers as well as writers. Once your feedback is written, you can click on to this send button and your feedback will be sent to Matrubharati. So this is how you can contact Matrubharati. If you want to see message from admin, then you can click on to this message from admin where you can find all the announcement of Matrubharati. So this is the message 3 days left for participation in National Story Competition. So these are the message of Matrubharati admin. And last one is terms and condition. So let's go to invoice, how you can upload your invoice using this invoice option. So click on to this send invoice and you will be redirected to this page. My invoice is here on the desktop. Let's take a look. This is the invoice format of Matrubharati invoice. So write your book name and price of your book based on terms and condition. So I'm writing my invoice amount. Once you enter amount, click on to this choose file button and select your invoice. So here it is my invoice file and I am selecting it, and once amount is entered and file is selected, click on to this send button. So my invoice will be uploaded to Matrubharati. So here it is a message, invoice sent successfully. Now to view all the invoices, click on to this invoice list and here you can find your invoices which are uploaded. Here it is my invoice. You will also see status here. If your invoice is approved or paid, you will find appropriate status. Now if you don't have invoice sample or invoice format, then you can click on to this download sample button and invoice will be downloaded. So here it is. This is my invoice format. So this is how you can upload invoice to Matrubharati and you can view all the invoices which you have already uploaded. Thank you very much.